So I'm standing in what used to be the Commons area, and behind me is what used to be the media center. Upstairs, what used to be the cyber cafe. This will all be part of the cafeteria moving forward so that we can move from 5 lunches to 3 lunches, which was really what started this whole entire project, as well as the new entrance, which will be a much safer space for our community to enter into the building, and all new offices for our administration and our student services. For many of you, you'll recognize these doors. This was the old entrance and used to be able to where we went into the main office. So I'm standing in what used to be a closed-in space that is now wide open because we've torn out the entire front of the building and the entrance into Ben Davis High School's administration area. This will become a whole new safe entrance space for all of our visitors and all of our guests as we continue to improve Ben Davis High School moving into the future. So what's interesting, you see that the old entrance was taken away, and what you're seeing behind me was the original front of the building for Ben Davis High School when it was built in 1964. This will be the new entrance into Ben Davis High School, a much safer entrance once we get done with this entire project. Absolutely incredible to see the transformation, not only to take us back to where we started, but then to see us moving forward well into 2025 and beyond.